Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I am working on a birthday card. And so this is the set that I'm using. It's called Waterfront. It's a occasion set, and it's a nature one, which will be perfect for my father-in-law. And what I'm trying to do is create, I have no DSP, so I'm trying to create a plaid background. And I went ahead and used some blue painter's tape, which I made less sticky by putting it on items of clothing until it picked up some of the fleece on my hoodie, so that it would, because these are still too sticky, so I wanted to make sure that it would peel up. I don't have to decorate the whole set of plaid because this is going to be the size of my image, and this will be the part of the plaid that shows. The three colors I used were light olive blend, dark night of navy, and light smoky slate. So these will be the color tones that I use for creating the scene. So I'm making the plaid match, and I'm going to peel it up now because I can tell I can't really quite see how well it's going to work. Now I'm going to trim this up a little bit. So let's take a look at how my attempt at making plaid works. I'm going to go ahead and trim a little bit off the edges, but I think that that's going to work nice. So I'll go ahead and trim this little bit off equally on all four sides so that it's nice and sharp and crisp, and then the middle will be the scene. So I think I did a good job here of making my own plaid DSP. And I'll come back later when I work on the scene. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back, and I'm ready to put the card together. I picked the happy birthday from Party Pandas. Something simple. I own exactly 2 happy birthdays. The other happy birthday I had to choose from was Southern Serenade, and it was a script. And I thought that that would not go as well with what I had created. So I also decided, which is unusual for me, to use a dark base. Then I'm going to have a very thin border and the plaid. Then I'm going to have a fatter border, which is also not the norm for me. I'm usually a skinny border girl. And here is what I made. So I think what I'm going to do is pop up these two together with dimensionals, and then the rest will be flat. And that will be my father-in-law's birthday card. Thanks for watching.